Disability is a word. I'm able to do more and more and more and more. I can do more things than the able people can. I can do more than the word more. I have the power, the energy, the spirit, the soul, the heart, and the mind of a superhero. I am a Superman. I am who I am. I am able to do anything. Anything. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. Because I'm able to do things that you will never do and will never ever try doing. I have power. I am the greatest. I'm made out of the Holy Spirit. I am the image of God. I am who I am because He made me to be who I am. He brought me to this world to be who I am. I am who I am. Disability is just a weight. I'm able to do things. I can fly, walk, dance, cherish the life. I am able to do anything that even those who call themselves the most able people can't do. I'm real. I'm able to do anything. Try